I do love my hair. Thank you for asking. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. I usually post on Thursdays and Sundays, and usually, I shouldn't say usually, but like a chunk of my videos are like subscription boxes because I love them. They're so easy and I love the brands that are in them. Well, not all of them, but I love most of the brands that I get, and I get to try and experience new things, and it's always fun. And this video is going to be my Walmart beauty box, which I thought like I just got, but I guess not. Wait, well, spring. Yeah. Like I thought I had just got, because I just did this video, but I'm wondering if like they shipped me the spring box late, because this is the summer box. So we're gonna open it. Unlike the spring box, this summer box feels very light and very empty. So we'll see. You usually get a mix of like full size and sample things from this. I think it's like $6, I want to say $7. And it's quarterly, it's not monthly. Like it could be, it's quarterly or seasonal. That's why it says summer beauty box. So let's go ahead. Let us go ahead. Open this and see what's inside. I don't really need my little handy dandy cloud knife, but it is just so cute. I love it. Slice it. Makes it easier because I'm the difficult person. Here she is. And it's cute. They're blue this year. I mean, last year they were like white and now they're blue, like baby blue, soft blue, nice blue, which doesn't give me like Walmart vibes really. Walmart vibes are more like dark navy blue, you know what I'm talking about? And like the yellow orange they have. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Anywho, here's the box. Let's open it up. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, it's cute. It says Beauty Box Summer. I wonder if the V3 is like volume 3, if you could get different ones. Let me know in the comments down below what you got in your Walmart beauty box, if you got one. I want to know. This cute little handy dandy card tells you a little bit about the theme for this this box, and this one is Summer 11 because summer. And then little pictures in the synopsis about what you could receive. And then here, oh, it smells nice. Here's everything that's came in my box. So let me sat this down and we'll go through what I pull out, I guess. Oh man, I saw this, the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss. Like, I really wanted to try. I've been wanting to try, but I don't want to buy it. But like, I saw it on here and I thought it was in my box. It is not. Instead, I did get a product I think I already have, but that's okay because I like this brand. It's from NYX. It's the NYX or NYX Professional Makeup Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream. Are you the full size? I don't think you're the full size. You are not the full size. Are you the full size? This is, I mean, it might be because I get stuff like this too. What? Do you tell me your shade? No. Cherry Cream. I mean, it's a very pretty color. I really like it a lot. I don't know why my camera needs to focus on my arms and not my products, but there it is. If it is the full size, which it maybe, might be. I don't think it is. The full size is $7.97. I don't think that's the full size, in my opinion. I have a ton of these little ones from like their advent calendars. So I don't think it's full size. That's my opinion. On to the next item. This is big. What are you? It's the number $7. It's the product. It's a face serum, but the product will vary. The full size is either $19.99 or $24.98 for 1 ounce, and you are 1 ounce. So this is the number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum. Hypoallergenic. What do you do? Tell me. Use morning and evening, smooth onto your face and neck after cleansing, then moisturize with Lift and Illuminate Day or Night Cream. Avoid eye contact with your eyes. Contact. Avoid contact with your eyes. Oh my gosh. Funny enough, I've never tried this brand before. I've heard a lot about it. I hear a lot of people who do use it. All good things, so that's nice. So it's in the range of $19.99 to $24.98. In a range. The next item. It's kind of open, but that's okay. They're Salon Perfect. Does it say? Yes. And it just says the shades will vary. So it's the Salon Perfect Mani to Go Press-On Nail Set. Shades will vary. It's a full-size item for $4.94. And these look like I'm glad the box is open. I want to see. I want to try. I want to take a look. Oh my god, that's cute. I've never done press-on nails because I've always been like 100% confident they're just not going to work for me. What is supposed to go here? Is it nothing? Oh. Okay, so I got like a little bag. Oh, is this like you pop it in there after you're done and then... Okay, so there's some bigger nail sizes in here because I'm like, my cute little baby hands have really chunky fingers to them. So I'm like, there's no way this is gonna work. It might. We'll see. I might give this away. I might try it. I'm so skeptical. So skeptical. Just because I'm very rough and tough about like grabbing things and doing things, and I don't know the success rate. I feel like the success rate for these, for me, is very low. I don't know. We'll see. Full size item. $4.94. 30 nails. This next item, it's from a very old but good brand, from SCUNCI. Scrunchy. It is the No Damage Elastic Stretch Nylon Headbands in black, and they are full size for $2.17. That's so, I mean, a storage? Oh, I was like, how a storage written? I had my hand right here, so I was like, how am I supposed to put them? Like, do I on the storage ring? It's like a little hook. You hook them in there. Yep, I'm not smart. I haven't been using these kind of like hair elasticy things, like with how thin they are. I switched over to scrunchies, if anything. And then if I don't do scrunchies, I do hair clippies. I'm trying to be very delicate with my hair. And my hair has grown a lot. I don't know if it's because that has helped or not. But I might pass these along. I love this brand. I know they work really well. But I have a little, but I don't know if they would want these. We'll see. But that's crazy. How is that only like $2.17? Normally, like, the prices are a lot higher. And Hoozle. I'm gonna knock stuff over. And Hoozle. Is this the last item in here? Oh, okay. So it's this. It's a lippy mask. Cool. Is that it? Yeah. It's the VITAMASQUES Cherry Vegan Collagen Lip Mask. It is $2.97. VITAMASQ? Vegan Collagen Lip Mask. Moisturize and plump. Made with wild cherries, panthenol, vegan collagen, and multi-molecular hyaluronic acid. One metallic lip mask. Cool. Very cute. Very nice. I will try that. And that's everything in my little disaster of a box, which is like not a lot compared to last quarter, last season. The last box, let me tell you. I mean, I'm going to try and put these in here as best as I can, but now I realize, like, this may not all fit. I'm going to have room, aren't I? Yep. This one kind of, like, goes over itself, but there, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. Sometimes I get more. This is around what I usually get. If you are curious to see my previous boxes or like what I've gotten before, so you know what you might be able to expect going forward, I have a playlist for all my Walmart videos, BT dubs. But here it is, everything I got in my summer Walmart box. I kind of want to start using this stuff like now, which I mean is really good. I do, even for the price, like $6, $7, you can bump me up to like $8, round it up like $8, and all this would be pretty worth it for me, because this is stuff that I can get near me at an affordable-ish price, and they might be pretty good products. Well, I know like 2 of these products are gonna be great. So I will see. I don't know if you guys went and tried them. If you've tried any of these items or these brands, like, give me some help down below in the comments. I'm gonna go ahead and go now. That is my Walmart beauty box, and I will catch you next time. Bye.